Be the envy of your friends in this 2014 Holden Cruise.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle.
A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle.
With an efficient 4-cylinder engine,
the manual transmission gives you more control and a better driving experience. Better mileage means better driving, and this vehicle delivers with low fuel consumption.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: an alarm system, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power windows, satellite navigation, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.